Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please send me nice comments. Like my video. Most of all, subscribe and share my videos if you'd like. I'm going to show you how to remove this fuse box here. And we're going to remove the fuse box because we're changing the engine there. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. If you got a message, you want to get it right out to me and you want me to answer it for you, I try to answer them all. Sometimes I don't know everything, but I try to know a lot. Send me that on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair. Anyways, so what you're going to do to get this fuse box out is you're going to pull that little clip back. It's right there, and then that clips the end of that, and then you'll be able to pull that up like that. You're going to do the same over here. I'll try to do it one-handed. So now you'll get that up. Now you're not going to have that all the way up to be able to remove this up. So now I'm going to take out the other two. They're similar over here, and then I'm going to start showing you how to pull that up. Now underneath here, there's a bunch of plugs, and they go up and they plug in there. And the plugs they're stuck inside this. So you got to kind of take a screwdriver and you're going to pry up underneath, right up underneath there, and you're going to pry the plugs down. But you're going to do it all four corners. Now notice I took out the bracket right here, which is 13mm bolts. I've got three 13mm bolts out of the fuse box, one there, and then there's one back here on the back side underneath them cables. Really kind of hard to see, but I just used an extension with my 10mm and took them 3 bolts out because that allows me to be able to move the box and shift it, and then I'm able to get my screwdriver in spots. You don't want to break it. You're just going to pull up each corner a little bit at a time and kind of work around to it, and you're going to pull it up. Keep in mind that the handles need to be somewhat in the near down position, so it allows you to pull it up out of there. Now only a couple stayed in. They're actually supposed to stay in the tray like this. So now we're just going to be able to reach up in there and pull them out and remove the fuse box. So I'm going to have Pat hold the phone, and I'm going to show you how to take these connectors up. If you're doing the same thing that I'm doing right here, there's little tabs on the corners. I hadn't actually ever taken them out, and you're going to take it and you pop that like that, and you give it a little bit of pressure, and then that's going to come up, and then you're going to hold it kind of, and then that's out of the way. And obviously we got to take that out of there because that's connected to our engine, and then we're going to take the rest of that stuff off. So now I've got my fuse box up and out of the way. I want you to be really careful, and you should probably look and make sure you didn't bend any of the panels. And if you got any corrosion on them, that probably means that you need to repair the connector inside there if you're having an electrical problem, and that's the reason you're removing it. We're removing it today because we're going to change the motor, and we need to take a couple of these out, and we're going to flip the connectors right over on top of the engine so we can remove the engine as a complete module opposed to taking everything else off of here. So hopefully this video was helpful. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you. If you got any questions, hit me up on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair. Please subscribe and share my videos. I greatly appreciate all you guys and the nice comments you send me. Have a great day, and God bless.